Welcome to Portfolio Builders Club. Going to talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin's about to go crazy. Crypto's about to go crazy. Today is the first crypto inaugural ball. That's going to also feature Snoop Dogg. That's going to start about 8 p.m. Eastern time. And that sort of signifies a new administration coming in that's more crypto friendly. And we're expecting lighter regulation, I guess, as far as maybe more clarity around cryptocurrency. And if we see that the government is more accepting of crypto, more people are going to come into it, more institutions are going to come into it and drive the price up. Also, if the government starts a crypto reserve, a Bitcoin reserve, that means that they'd be purchasing Bitcoin via the government. That'll just drive the price crazy, really. And with that news and that anticipation, we're going to see some movement in the price. We're also expecting possible executive orders that'll come out starting maybe Monday or next week associated with crypto as well. So with that news and all the hype around cryptocurrency currently with the administration coming in, we're expecting the price of Bitcoin to go ahead and push up to about the $110,000 level. So it should be able to push up to that level. So as we continue to watch that move for Bitcoin, other cryptocurrencies such as the altcoins, such as Ethereum, are on the move, starting to move in an upward direction here. You got Dogecoin, which may gain some popularity with the coincidence that the new Department of Government Efficiency also is called Doge. But again, this is just a meme coin, so we expect that to continue to push up as well. Right now, we're looking to see if it'll complete this 20% move. But again, crypto could end up going crazy next week as well. So you have Bonk. This is starting to move up as well. We were really looking for this 50% move to happen, but we're well on our way to getting started with that. Let's go ahead and take a look at XRP. Yeah, so XRP is definitely starting to push as well. It did break our counter trend line here. It's staying above the 25-day moving average and continuing in an upward fashion. It did break the $3 level, which we were expecting. But again, with all the excitement and the hype and social media that's going to be surrounding cryptocurrency, we expect things to really sort of take off here pretty soon. So also, besides Bitcoin and crypto, investing in them directly, you can also invest in crypto ETFs. So with crypto ETFs, we have crypto ETFs. Let's just start with BTCL, which is a 2x leveraged ETF for Bitcoin. So to move at twice the percentage of Bitcoin. BITU, which is ProShares version of Bitcoin. You have BITX. You have BITO, really, which is BITO, which is ProShares again. You have iBit, which is iShares version of a Bitcoin trust. So you have many opportunities and many companies and trusts and ETFs to invest in. Here's the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, GBTC. And then you also have ETFs for Ethereum. So we have Ethereum, ETHT, and you can see that that's starting to move up as well. Let's see here. We also have Solana, OSOL, which is Osprey Solana Trust. So you'll see that all of these are going to start to curve back up to the upside. But Bitcoin would be the main asset that we'll kind of watch. In any sort of ETF directly related to Bitcoin, we would also watch. Other than that, you also have certain brokers like Coinbase, which we should see make a turn for the upside. Right now, for Coinbase, we were expecting it to reach back up to these previous highs. So let's see, to get to this high, it was about, let's just call it even 25%. To get back up to that high there. So potential 25% move for companies like Coinbase. You have Wolf as well, TerraWolf. And let's see what percentage move we'd be expecting here. Would be maybe a 35% move. Let's just make it even 35% move to get back to the previous highs. You have companies like Mara. And again, we would expect these to start to move back up. Let's just say if you really were to go all the way up to the previous high, you could maybe get 50% out of that. You have Robinhood, which is already moving in an upward trajectory. This has been really hanging strong with support from the 25-day moving average. So that's just continuing to go up. We completed, I guess, a previous 100% move earlier from last year going forward. So we'll continue to watch Robinhood move up as well. So you have many opportunities to sort of look at assets that may be related to Bitcoin, or maybe they have some portion of their business that deals with Bitcoin, or they are a cryptocurrency broker, or they're miners for crypto. But all of these should benefit from the new administration coming in and the hype around any sort of government involvement in crypto. So just look for crypto to go crazy.